Okay, let us do the 8th problem. The speed of a garden snail is 50 meters per hour and that of the cheetah is 120 kilometers per hour. Find the ratio of the speeds. Okay, speed of garden snail. Let us solve this. Let us write what is given. Speed of garden snail. Garden snail is equal to 50 meters per hour. 50 meters. Speed of cheetah is equal to 120 kilometers. 120 kilometers. So here we can see that this is in meters and this is in kilometers. Previously when I was introducing the chapter, I told you that the same quantities and same kind they should be. Here same quantity, speed only we are going to calculate the ratio between the speeds. But here the same kind is not there. Here the units are different. You need to convert these units to one same units, both of them to the same units. So you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. This you already know. So now kilometers we are going to write 1 kilometer, meters is 1000. Okay, so here 120 kilometers is how much? 120 kilometers is how much? You need to cross multiply. You need to cross multiply 120 into 1000. 120 into 1000 divided by 1. Divided by 1 is nothing but without that also it is. So this is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay, let us find the ratio of the speeds. That is what they have asked. A ratio of speeds. Ratio of speeds. First I am going to take this is equal to. I am going to take for the garden snail. Garden snail is to cheetah. Garden snail is to cheetah. Garden snail is 50 meters, so I am going to write it as 50. Then cheetah. Cheetah we are going to take. This is in meters. So meters one we need to take. It is 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Now let us cancel with 10 table. 10 table means 110 will be cancelled. So this is 5 is to 12,000. 5 is to 12,000. Let us cancel with 5 table. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Now 5 twos are 10. So the remainder is 2. 2 0 is 20. In 5 table, when will you get 20? 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. Now these 2 zeros you need to write here. So the ratio is 1 is to 2,400. The ratio of speeds is 1 is to 2,400. Did you understand this? Okay. Copy this in your class workbook, children. Okay. The 7th problem is for homework. It is very simple. You need to simplify the ratio between the length and breadth of a rectangle. This you can do as homework. 8th problem we have already done. Let us do the 9th problem now. Write along with me. Find. In this there are 3 bits. The first bit is the ratio of boys and girls in your class. So bit by bit we will do. Let us solve this here. So how many number of boys are there in your class? Number of boys. Yes. For example, 21 are the number of boys, number of girls. Number of girls. Let us take 21. 21 and 21, the total strength is 42 in the class. Whatever is your class strength, that you need to take here and write. So, ratio of boys and girls. Ratio of boys and girls, this is equal to 21 is to 21. 21 is to 21, this is nothing but 1 is to 1. Both I am going to cancel in 21 table. So, I got it as 1 is to 1. If at all you are not able to cancel this ratio, leave it off like that. If you are able to cancel, then cancel and write the simplest form of the ratio. Simplest form of the ratio. Now, let us do the second bit. The ratio of number of doors and number of windows of your classroom. Last year you were sitting in the classroom. This year unfortunately we are not able to meet in the classroom. But you remember last year's classroom, how many doors were there? Number of doors. How many doors are there? In almost all the classes there is only one door. Okay, number of doors equal to 1. Number of windows. How many windows are there? To the side of the door, beside the door there is only one window, and this side 3 windows are there. So, total is 4 windows. Okay, if at all you want to take more windows, if your class is having more windows, you can take that. Now, write the ratio of doors and windows. Is equal to, doors is 1 is to 4. You can't simplify this, so we are going to leave the ratio as it is. Now let us write the ratio of number of textbooks and number of notebooks this you need to find out. Okay, let us solve now. Number of textbooks. Solution. Number of textbooks. How many textbooks are there for you? You have 6 subjects. So 6 main subjects. So 6 is the number of textbooks. Actually, when you carry your bag and bring to school, you will be able to count and do. But now also we will approximately take. Number of notebooks. You have 8 periods. When you come to school, 8 periods are there in the school. So it is 8. Number of notebooks. For each period you will take out a new book. So it is 8 notebooks. Now ratio of textbooks and notebooks. Ratio of textbooks and notebooks. This is equal to, textbooks are 6, notebooks are 8. Okay, so cancel this in the same table, 2 table, 3 times, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 3:1 is the ratio between the textbooks and notebooks. Copy this in your class workbook. With this we have finished this exercise 1. Let's begin exercise 2 in the next class. See you in the next class, children.